Hey guys, this is video number 2 following up the solubility video. I want you to see that our first solutions are still completely mixed. The salt is also non-residue on the bottom. Plus the coffee has lost all the bubbles it had before. I think it was too much coffee for the water that I put in. There is another side of solutions that I want you to see now. I'm using a little water and I'm putting food coloring on it. We are going to do a mixture. And when we do a mixture, excuse me, I'm trying to get my stick out of its place. When you mix something and all these particles are evenly distributed along the solution that we created, these particles become more tiny particles. This is a solution. It's a mixture, but it's completely dissolved. In this case, the purple color is completely dissolved in the water. But there are some cases that are a little bit different. In this bottle, I have sand. So I'm gonna pour again water into my container. And I'm going to throw a little sand in here. What do you think is going to happen? Is the sand going to dissolve in the water? Let's see. It seems like the sand has a little bit of soil or earthy things that are mixing with the water. But the rest of the elements of the sand are still not mixing. You see, most of the sand is on the bottom. So we can call this a mixture. I already did this before. Like I put amount of sand in water so I can shake it, and you can see the same as shake before the water with the salt and the sugar and the coffee, so I can apply more force. But still, when you let it go, the water is not looking clear because maybe some of the sand had a little bit of soil, but still the sand is on the bottom, you see? So the sand doesn't dissolve in the water. So this is what we call a mixture. A solution is also a mixture, but the difference is that everything is dissolved. The sugar is completely dissolved in the water. In this mixture, the sand is not dissolved in the water. This is the difference between the two of both of them. The previous example that I showed you was the coloring in the water. It doesn't fall into the bottom. It's completely mixed. It's a mixture because we mixed two things, but it's completely dissolved. The color is completely dissolved in the water. So this is also a solution, a mix that became a solution. And here I have another example that I previously prepared for you. I throw some rocks, like crystals here, that they are used for ornaments or decorations. Look. And I put some amount of water. Can you guess what is going to happen? Do you think they are going to mix? Do you think they are going to dissolve? Well, as you can see, oh my God, sorry. You can see better this way. They are mixed together, but they are not dissolved. So you see the difference? They are mixed together, but they are not dissolved. This means we call this a mixture, not a solution. Now, what is the purpose of having this information? What do you think we need to have this information? I want you to think about it, talk to your partners in your table, and we will discuss this question later.